Keeping your kitchen clean can be a nightmare. Traditional sponges don't last long, and you always have to replace them. What a waste of money! Introducing the Soopa Scrubber Sponge from JML, the reusable, versatile, environmentally friendly cleaning sponge. No need for all those cleaning supplies. Soopa Scrubber Sponge's dual-sided design tackles all the tough cleaning jobs in your kitchen. Cleaning up dirt on worktops, sinks, oven doors and racks is now a pushover. Use the scouring side to power through tough, stubborn dirt and grime, and the soft microfibre side to wash the dishes and wipe down countertops. Just look at how this traditional sponge fails to stand up to the tough burnt-on mess in this frying pan. But watch how Soopa Scrubber Sponge breaks down and powers through the mess. How about this dried-on bolognese sauce? The traditional sponge has hardly made a difference, but watch how Soopa Scrubber Sponge blasts through and wipes away the mess. Its secret is the innovative braided nylon mesh technology that breaks down tough messes whilst protecting your surfaces from scratches. Just look at the difference. Whilst the absorbent microfibre side cleans away spills and messes with ease. Just look at how Soopa Scrubber Sponge absorbs all this water. Amazing! That Soopa Scrubber Sponge is great to use all over the house. Keep your windows streak-free. Quickly wipe up messes on the floor. Keep your bathroom limescale and germ-free. You can even keep one in the car to tackle messy jobs inside and out. Plus, the machine washable, so you can reuse them again and again, helping you look after the environment and helping yourself save money. Say goodbye to using hundreds of different sponges throughout the year and take home the sponge that will clean your home from floor to ceiling. Soopa Scrubber Sponge from JML. Take yours to the checkout now.